Hello friends, this video statistics part 18 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched statistics part 1 to part 7. I introduce you to a new term called standard deviation. Standard deviation is nothing but root of variance. So we have this variance, this formula of variance. Variance was nothing but sigma square, that was 1 by n into summation of xi minus mean square I is equal to 1 to n, correct? Standard deviation is nothing but root of this, so you take the root of this. Standard deviation is nothing but root of variance is called standard deviation. Please note, root of variance. It is also called root mean square. Root mean square. Why? Because we follow from back. First we square, that is xi minus xi minus mean square. Then we take the mean. This is the mean. Mean of everything is mean. And then we take the root. This is root. Root mean square. Follow from the back. First you square x, that is, what is square? Square is the square of deviation. Root means square, deviation you can say actually. Root means square, deviation. So first you will find deviation, that is xi minus mean, right? Because this is the deviation. Then you square the deviation. You get xi minus mean square. Once you have the square, for all this value you find the mean. So then you come summation of xi minus mean square by n, where I is equal to 1 to n. Once you have this mean, you take the root. You get root of xi minus this mean square by n summation I is equal to 1 to. So this is called root mean square deviation. So standard deviation is nothing but root mean square deviation. From the back, first you find deviation, then you square it, then you mean it, then you find the root. Root mean square deviation. Please remember, root mean square deviation. First you find deviation, then you square the deviation, you find the mean of the whole thing, and then you get the root. Root mean square deviation. Please note, a lot of students do like this. This is nothing but 1 by n of root of sigma xi minus x mod square, where they take out n 1 by n out. That is wrong. Please don't be confused. N is always inside. To avoid confusion, just remember, root means square deviation. You find deviation first, you square it, then you find the mean. To find the mean you will get this, and then you get the root. So root is at the topmost level. Root means square deviation. Now we'll take some example. So first thing we have to do, we have to find the mean in this case. So in this example, we have to find variance and standard deviation for this data. The first thing we have to find the mean. For finding mean, we have to add all these values because they are all xi's. Correct? So let me first write this in this form, xi's. This is xi. I'll write this 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 20. I'll add all these values. 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 20, 26, 26 plus 8, 34, 34 and 6, 40, 0, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 plus 6, 50. So summation of this xi is 50, 150. And the value of n, the number of terms is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N is equal to 10. Correct? So n is equal to 10. So we can find this mean is nothing but summation of xi by n. This is nothing but 150 by 10, 50. So median is 50. So median is somewhere here. That is 50. That we have found. Sorry, mean. Mean is 50. That we have. Now once we have mean, what we'll do, we'll write x in this form here actually. xi minus 15, that is xi minus mean. So 6 minus 15 is nothing but minus 9, 8 minus 15 is minus 7, 10 minus 15 is minus 5, 12 minus 15 is minus 3, 14 minus 15 is minus 1, 16 minus 15 is 1, 18 minus 15 is 3, 20 minus 15 is 5, 22 minus 15 is 7, and 24 minus 15 is nothing but 9. The next step is we have to find the square of this. So xi minus 15 square. Minus 9 square is 81, 7 square is minus 7 square is 49, minus 5 square is 25, minus 3 square is 9, minus 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49, and 9 square is 81. Correct? 9 square 81, 7 square 49, 25, 3 square 9. I have done this. Now the formula says root mean square deviation. Deviation we have got, square it, and now to find the mean of this. That is sigma xi minus 15 square 1 by n. This is the root mean square deviation. So we have to add these values. 1 plus 9, 10, 15, 9, 24, 25, 26, 26 plus 9, 35, 40, 50. 5, 8 plus 5, 13, 17, 19, 19 plus 2, 21, plus 4, 25, plus 8, 33. This is 330. So we'll put the formula. Variance is nothing but, or variance is nothing but, variance is the sigma square, that is 1 by n into xi minus 15 square sigma. This is nothing but, n is nothing but 10. This will be 1 by 10 into, this value is nothing but 330. 33. So variance is nothing but sigma square, that is 33. This is variance. Now for standard deviation we have to say root of variance, that is sigma, and that is root of 33, and that value is something around 525, 636, 5.74. That is the answer. Very simple. What we have done, we have this values xi, we found the mean first. We got the mean to be 15. Then we found deviation of these values from mean. Then we squared this, because root means square deviation. We got deviation first, we squared it, we added all this thing to get mean, we got the mean. So mean was 33, and that is nothing but variance. We squared, we found the square root of this variance to get standard deviation to be 5.74. Standard deviation is nothing but root means square deviation. Correct? Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.